Ready to get the Prime badge? It starts with Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. Here's how to get started. First, decide what products and how many of each you want fulfilled. If you use customizations, choose your best-selling combinations and make a new listing. We recommend taking 5 to 10 units of each bestseller and keeping a few on hand so you can fulfill orders until the items are ready in the warehouse. Now, here's how to change a product listing to FBA in Seller Central. Go to the Manage Inventory tab, select the product ASIN. On the Edit drop-down, pick Fulfill by Amazon. Next, select Convert and Send Inventory. Fill out the Shipped From address. And then select the packaging type. Remember, your products should be e-commerce ready when they arrive at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. That means each one should be correctly prepped, labeled, and packed for safe and secure shipping. Next, enter the number of individual items that you're sending to the Fulfillment Center, and click Print Label to create a PDF with barcodes designed specifically for Amazon warehousing. And make sure each individual item has its own barcode label. Individual products is the most common choice for handmade sellers because boxes can contain one or more products of varying quantities. Next, you can see the list of fulfillment centers to which you would have to send in your inventory. Verify the contents of each shipment and hit Approve. Now, start working on individual shipments. Select the carrier to transport your packages to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Generate and apply your carton labels. Now you're ready to ship. Have more questions? Just check out our help page for more details and examples. Or post your question in the Handmade forum, where you'll find tips and first-hand advice from other artisans in the handmade community.